An interesting story has been described by our Satsuru Maharaj in the Bhakti Garden. The learned scholar and the boatman. The boatman in Bengal, there are many rivers, and the people generally transport by boat sides. So, a learned scholar from Calcutta, say, was going home in the village on a boat, and he was very happy. So he was asking the boatman, "My dear boatman, do you know what are these stars, these astronomy, how they are working?" "No, sir, I do not know." "Ah, your life is 25% lost. You do not know it." Then after some time, you know the geology, how these earth, water, they are working. He said, "No, sir, I am poor man, what can I know?" "No, you are 50% of your life, you know." Then, all of a sudden, there was a cloud, black cloud on the sky, and there was storm. Then at that time, the boatman asked, said, "Do you know how to swim?" "No, I do not know." "Then 100% you are lost. You are going to be drowned." He jumped and he drowned. So this is the point. You are trying to understand the whole analytical study of the material world. That is very good. But if you do not know how to remember Narayan at the time of death, then you are going to be cast and down. That's all.